Alright, let's talk about iPad cases. I've tested a bunch this year while sketching, typing, Netflixing, and dropping my iPad off the couch more times than I want to admit. If you've got the 10th or 11th gen iPad, or even an iPad Air or Pro, here are the top cases that actually made life better, and a few that came with small trade-offs. Let's get into it. MoKo Slim Trifold Case. This one's super lightweight and minimal. It has a hard translucent back that shows off the iPad's color, but still protects it from scratches. The foldable trifold cover doubles as a basic stand, which is great for binge watching or casual typing. Plus, there's a built-in pencil holder so your stylus isn't floating loose in your backpack. It's not built for heavy drops, and the stand can be a little flimsy on soft surfaces, but for day-to-day use, it works. If you want a clean look, lightweight feel, and no bulk, this case nails it. Check the description below for links or best prices. MoKo Smart Cover with Touch ID support. Very similar to the first MoKo, but tweaked for usability. It supports auto wake/sleep, which saves battery, and it's cut perfectly for Touch ID, so you don't have to awkwardly reach for your sensor. The hard back adds stability, and the folding front works well as a low-angle stand. No pencil slot though, and it's mostly meant for light protection. Clean and functional for folks who don't want extras, just a smart cover that works. Check the description below for links or best prices. TUNKARMOR keyboard case with backlit keys and mouse. This one is wild. You get a built-in keyboard with 7 backlight colors, a pencil holder, and even a mini mouse. Yep, it basically turns your iPad into a tiny laptop. I used it for writing scripts and replying to emails, and it held up surprisingly well. It's chunky, and the mouse is more of a bonus than a pro-grade pointer, but for the price, pretty solid. Great for students and writers who want serious typing power without buying a full laptop. Check the description below for links or best prices. Harvopu keyboard case with trackpad and detachable keyboard. This one's more flexible than the TUNKARMOR. It has a detachable keyboard with a smooth multi-touch trackpad, so you can switch between laptop mode and tablet mode in seconds. There's also a pencil holder, backlit keys, and a decent folio stand. The trackpad gestures took a bit of learning, and the keyboard isn't as tactile as Apple's, but it gets the job done. Best for hybrid users who want full control but still flip between work and chill. Check the description below for links or best prices. Runelk magnetic floating keyboard case. This one's definitely channeling Apple's Magic Keyboard vibes. It magnetically snaps into place and floats the iPad above the keys. You get a solid multi-touch trackpad and great build quality, but it's only for newer iPads like the M2, M3 Air, or recent Pro models. There's no edge protection and no pencil slot, so it's more style-focused than rugged. Perfect if you want a sleek, laptop-style experience and don't need the extra bulk. Check the description below for links or best prices. So yeah, whether you're sketching, writing, or just doom scrolling in bed, your iPad case makes a difference. From slim covers to full-blown keyboard setups, these picks helped me work, chill, and not freak out every time I dropped my tablet. Grab the one that fits your vibe and workflow best. Check out the description below for links or best prices.